Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Cap Round 1 का option form filling has just ended yesterday and we are expecting the Cap Round 1 allotment to be out in a couple of days. But obviously after a couple of days you all would be in a panic mode क्योंकि cutoffs will definitely rise and that is not because of the competition but that is because of the nature of Cap Round 1. Cap Round 1 में हमेशा cutoffs ऊपर रहता है and then cap round 2 may a bit even higher or close to cap round 1. Cap round 3 they gradually come down, cap round 4 they again come down and spot round में वो बहुत ज्यादा कम होते हैं. So a lot of you would be in a panic mode day after tomorrow. इसलिए I am making this video on 31st of July to explain you what will happen in cap round 1 allotment and what are the options that you have available. Listen to me very carefully till the end so that you can make an informed decision and you be very mentally prepared about what would be happening next. Let us start. So cap round 1 allotment की बात करते हैं और उसके पहले here are some of our results. There are 15 students about 99 percentile this year, 20 students between 98 to 99 percentile, and most of them have subscribed to our online as well as offline courses, and some of them have subscribed to our recorded courses. Okay. So anyways, target 99 2.0 for the CET 2027 starts from 18th of August, and a CET recorded course as well as mock test series, which was very famous among the students. The mock test series will be launching soon, and there will be a launch sale. There will be a flash sale as well coming on our app. So stay tuned and inform your juniors who would be preparing for it. Let us start, sir. Before we move ahead, let me explain you the rules of cap round 1, 2 and 3. The new rules. Let's say cap round 1 में अगर आपको first preference allot हो जाता है, then it is auto freeze. You will have to take admission in that college. Cap round 2 उसमें भी एक terms and conditions applied है, वो मैं आपको बताता हूँ, रुक जाइएगा, ठीक है? Cap round 2 top 3 preference allotted auto freeze. Cap round 3 top 6 preference allotted, then it gets auto freeze. Then you will have to take admission in that particular college. Still, there is an exception to that rule. I will tell you in the end. Let's see. So what are the things that can happen to you in cap round 1 allotment? Number 1, you are allotted first option. Number 2, you are allotted other than first option. Number 3, not allotted any option, that आपको कोई college लगा ही नहीं. Maximum students, I repeat, maximum students will fall under this category. I repeat, maximum students will fall under this category. Around, I would say, 80 to 90% of the students will fall under this category because colleges, हर कोई college क्या करता है? All the colleges that have about 90 percentile का cutoff वही fill करता है, and then because you have a lower percentile, you will not be allotted any college, but that is completely fine, not a problem. ठीक है? So you will not be allotted in any option. That's okay. You will be subsequently allotted colleges in cap round 2, cap round 3, cap round 4 and even spot round. So don't worry, don't panic. I repeat, बहुत सारे students के साथ ऐसा होने वाला है. Now, if you are allotted first option, what you will have to happen is आपको ये college में admission लेना पड़ेगा. आपको ये college में admission लेना पड़ेगा, but you are still eligible for spot round. I repeat, you are still eligible for spot round. That happens after cap round 4. So अगर आपको first option allot हो जाता है, let's say for example you have got selected in SIDNEM, but you are still eligible to try for JBIMS, but not in cap round 1, not in cap round 2, not in cap 3, not in cap 4 as well, but in spot round अगर JB का seat spot round तक बचता है तो. Similarly, someone who is allotted Wellinger as a first option, first preference, he will have to take admission in Wellinger. So be mentally prepared, be financially prepared, be ready to travel as well if you are allotted to the first option. But you are still eligible to apply for SIDNEM, not in cap 2, 3 or 4, but in spot round. So that's okay. Even if you are allotted first option, कोई दिक्कत नहीं, आप admission ले लीजिए, admission लेना जरूरी है, and then try for spot rounds. But let's say for example, if you are not allotted, if you are allotted other than first option, then what are the options available? ठीक है, let's see. Now let's talk about other than first option. तो आपके पास बहुत multiple options available है, क्या क्या कर सकते हैं आप? Let's see. What you can do is one, auto freeze. Auto freeze तो आपके पास होगा नहीं, आपको खुद से freeze करना पड़ेगा. Auto freeze तो first preference का होता है, we discussed about that. So you can freeze, you can do betterment, or you can do nothing. You do nothing, sit ideal, have a cup of tea, that's it. Let me explain each and every option. So if you freeze by yourself, आपको उस कॉलेज में एडमिशन, लेट्स से फॉर एग्जांपल योर थर्ड प्रेफरेंस वाज वेलिंकर एंड यू आर टायर्ड ऑफ दिस risk taking things, you don't want to go for cap round 2, which I would highly advise you should go for cap round 2, I repeat. But अगर आपको नहीं यार मुझे वेलिंकर ही चाहिए, मुझे कुछ नहीं करना है, I want to take admission, you will click on freeze. I repeat, that is not advised. I repeat, that is not advised. But still अगर आपने कर दिया तो आपको एडमिशन लेना पड़ेगा वेलिंकर में, ठीक है? So that is a freeze option. Next, you can try for betterment. This is advised. Why betterment? Particularly when you go for a betterment, उसमें भी एक betterment is not the word that will be mentioned on the page, उसके लिए अलग से एक word वो यूज करेंगे और मैं आपको बता भी दूंगा इन माय नेक्स्ट वीडियो कि हाउ डू यू फ्रीज एंड बेटरमेंट वगैरह वो सब आपको लाइव बता दूंगा. बट एनीवेज, इन केस इफ यू डू बेटरमेंट तो आपका वेलिंकर का सीट आपके पास ही रहेगा, बट स्टिल यू विल बी ट्राइंग फॉर सम बेटर कॉलेजेस. ठीक है, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल यहाँ पे मैंने, इफ यू हैव टू ऑप्शन, कॉट अ सीट नॉट फर्स्ट प्रेफरेंस, you have two options. I have already explained you. Freeze, accept the seat, exit rounds. Betterment, pay 1,000 rupees, that is seat acceptance fees. Try for better choice in next round. Try for a better college in next round. You may try for Sydenham, you may try for JB as well. Round 2 betterment rules. Fill only colleges above your current allotment. वो अभी round 2 में जब शुरू होगा मैं बता दूंगा. So आपका सीट आपके पास ही रहेगा, but you can still try for some better colleges. That is a betterment option. And third option, as I said, do nothing. Let's say for example, मुझे सीट अलॉट हुआ है, but I don't want to retain the seats. I want to do nothing. So you can still do that by sit ideal, have a cup of tea, and you are still eligible for cap round 2 as well as cap round 3. So these are the major options that you have available in the cap round 1. And as I said, many students will not be allotted any seats, so do not panic, and that is the reason I am making this video in advance. I hope you have subscribed to the channel and join the WhatsApp group community where we are obviously telling you about helping out candidates for all the cap rounds. That was it for in this video. I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you so much. Please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.